Welcome. If you're looking for a simple way to make sure every photo you're tagged in shows up automatically on your Instagram profile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on automatic tagging so you never miss a moment on your grid. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update this setting. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look up to the top right and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Your Activity. This section gives you a quick overview of everything you've been up to on Instagram, but for now, we're focusing on tags. Scroll down and tap on Tags. This is where you control what happens when someone tags you in a photo or video. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap those dots to open more options. From here, choose Manage Setting. This is where you decide how tagged photos are handled on your profile. You'll see an option called Manually Approve Tags. If this is turned on, you have to approve every tagged photo before it appears on your profile. To make sure tagged photos are added automatically, simply toggle this option off. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm. That's it. From now on, anytime someone tags you in a photo or video, it will appear automatically on your profile. No more digging through notifications or missing out on shared memories. If you ever want to switch back and approve tags manually, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for tuning in. Now your Instagram profile will always showcase your latest tagged moments effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Instagram experience.